Here I have REALME C25Y, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the security section, select fingerprint, then you have to select your backup screen lock method. It could be pattern, PIN or password. Let's select PIN, then you have to enter PIN, confirm it, then you have to select if you want to see notifications on a lock screen. You can show all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, or you can don't show any notifications at all. Tap done, then next. Then you have to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located right here, and tap it with your finger several times, like this, for it to remember your fingerprint. And fingerprint aided. And now, for example, you can unlock your device without entering PIN code, with only just your fingerprint, like this. As you can see, device is locked. When I touch it with my finger, it unlocks immediately, like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.